it's Lindsay. Welcome back to another video. So I am sharing something else new in my shop that I am adding as an option, and it is a spin-off on two things that I already have in my shop. Number one, it's a spin-off of my themed custom journals, and also a spin-off on my $10 custom journals. If you've been following me for any length of time, especially recently, you would have heard about my $10 junk journals. They're very simple. This is an example right here. It's just a pocket in the front. Oh, and I will put a card in there. Something on the back. Simply decorated, simply, is that a word? Simply decorated cover, and then 60 blank and different kinds of pages so that you can make the journal totally your own. So while I was doing this journal for one of my customers, I already had these pages from my new kit, and so I just went ahead and made this journal for her, and then it sparked an idea. So I'm going to offer a kit specific, meaning you can pick whatever one of my kits you want, simple junk journal. So this is going to be under $20, and you will get the entire, like for example, this is my lavender and lace kit. So you will get all of the pages of the kit in there, and then some coffee dyed pages or a couple other pages to fill up to make the full 60 pages. So it will pretty much be a journal around the kit. Then you will have the cover decorated with a piece of ephemera from the kit. You'll have a pocket, and let's find a little journal card to slip in the front so you can see how that looks. Here we go. This one's really pretty. We'll slip that right in the front. So you'll have a pocket and then some kind of a journal card that you can write on in the front. In the back, you'll have like a library card or a piece of ephemera from the kit. And then all of the rest of the pieces of ephemera from the kit that I did not use there will be put into some kind of little bag. Like, for example, I have this really pretty purple bag from Above Par Crafts, and I might have to fold like the envelope to fit in there, but that is okay. So all of the rest of the ephemera I will have cut out. It will not be inked or glued together, but it will be cut out and ready for you to decorate the journal with. So let's put all the rest of these little pieces in here. I have several different journal kits in my shop, and when you go to the listing that will be linked below, you will choose from the drop-down menu which kit you, well, that is not a part of it, which kit you want the journal made from. So this one is lavender and lace, but you know, you could definitely have another one chosen. There may be a slight difference in the prices because like some kits may have a ton of ephemera, so they might be a little more. Some kits may barely have any ephemera. They might be slightly less, but they're all going to be within just a couple dollars of each other, trying to make it very affordable for you. This is just a great way to work with a digital kit without having to actually make the journal. The basis of the journal will be made for you, then you get to do all of the fun parts. So you'll have some kind of a little bag, something like that. I'm going to put this right here in the, well, this doesn't go with this journal because this is a $10 journal, but if this was your journal, I would put this in there, and that is what you would get. So, yeah, and that would just be depending upon the journal kit. Like if you chose my new kit, Light the Way, then I would use all of these pages in the journal along with some coffee dyed pages or something else like that. And then I would cut up all the ephemera and put that in a bag for you as well and use it to decorate the front and so forth like we already discussed. So I think this would be a really, really neat way to get a simple journal with items that go with it already ready to go. So if you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to purchase one, then please click the link below and choose from the drop-down menu. I'm really interested to see which of my kits people will choose when they purchase this listing. So that will be fun for me. And I'm giving this, I'm going to put like a 1 to 2 week time on this. It may be slightly more, slightly less. I try to keep my times pretty fluid, and thank you all of you for working with me on my times, because things come up when you have 3 small boys. But I'll try to get this out to you within 2 weeks. The holidays may mess things up a little bit, but obviously too late to order it for a Christmas gift. I don't have any guaranteed by Christmas in my shop this year. I just didn't think I could work that out. You might get it before Christmas, but I would highly doubt that. Anyway, I hope that you will purchase one of these so we can see how that all works. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for supporting me and my shop. Goodbye.